Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to roller skate. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Choose a road that is not busy. Yes, even with animals. Lesson 1. Standing up. Turn around and face the ground. Hold the ground and try to stand up. Make a V to balance. Lesson 2. Pushing. Make a V shape with the rollers. Touch your knees. These two will help you to balance. Push side to side. Start with small steps. When you start with big steps, you can fall. If you are a beginner, start with small steps. Lesson 3. Stopping. If you want to stop, you see the black thing that it is behind, that is the brake. So you that leg, you pull it up. Bonus lesson. Position your legs like this. Put your foot down and put another foot down. Remember to position your leg. Do the same when climbing. Continue practicing this. Jumping.